Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this short video lecture I will discuss top 5 civil engineering interview questions with answers. Guys, these are often asked questions in civil engineering interview. So therefore you should have knowledge about these 5 interview questions. So let's get started. Guys, the first one is, what is least cover for different RCC members? Least cover means least concrete cover for different RCC members. So different RCC members are footing, beam, column and slab. So remember, for the footing, least concrete cover is 50 millimeter. For column, 40 millimeter. For beam, 25 millimeter. And for slab, 20 millimeters. So these are least cover for RCC members. Right? This is the first often asked question. The second one is, guys, it's also very important. An often asked question, also in interview, but without interview, anyone can ask from you. That is, what is cement, sand and aggregate ratio for different grades of concrete? So first of all, you should have knowledge about grade of concrete. What is grade of concrete? So in many videos, I have discussed what is grade of concrete, different types of what is grade of concrete and different grade of concrete ratios. Okay. So if you didn't watch, the link is in the description of this video. So what is cement, sand and aggregate ratio for different grades of concrete? So as you know, guys, we have M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, etc. These are grades of concrete. So for M10, the ratio of cement is 1, sand is 3, aggregate is 6. So 136 is the ratio of M10. Okay, the first one is cement, the second one is sand, the third one is aggregate. For M15, which is 1 to 4. For M20, 1.5 ratio 3. For M25, 1 ratio 2. One is cement, one is sand, last part 2 is aggregate. And M10 is, so this is standard concrete, okay, but also it is 1 ratio 1. So these are cement, sand and aggregate ratio in different grades of concrete. This is the second interview question. Guys, the third one is, what is different between one-way and two-way slabs? They can ask directly from you. What do you think about one-way and two-way slab? Or explain what is one-way slab or two-way slab. So the answer should be, one-way slab is ratio of longer span divided by shorter span greater than 2. Try to make answer very short. That will be good for you. Okay. So you can answer one-way slab, or if they ask from you in interview, what do you think about one-way slab? So you can say ratio of longer span divided by shorter span greater than 2. So if you need in detail, so the link is in the description of this video. What is one-way slab and two-way slab? And two-way slab, ratio of longer span divided by shorter span less than or is equal to. So this is two-way slab. Okay, this is the answer of third interview question. Guys, the fourth one is, what is common methods of curing the concrete? Common methods of curing the concrete. Okay, so the common methods are spraying, okay. Second, wet covering of surface. Third, ponding method. Fourth, steam curing. Okay, so these are 4 common methods of curing the concrete. Okay, guys, the last one is very important and often asked question, and many people they can ask from you, and also an interview. there were my some students, so they went for the interview. So I think there were my 2 students. So they told me that, sir, this is also the often asked question, that name various authorities of workers on construction site or during building construction. Okay, tell me the name of those persons, okay, or those authorities. So remember, this name various authorities of workers on construction site is senior engineer or project manager, the second site engineer, third contractor, fourth mistri, and the last one mason or labor. So by this teamwork, these you can complete the building construction or any other type of project in civil engineering. So guys, these are 5 often asked questions in civil engineering. I hope you learned something new in this video. Hope it will help you in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.